cash paid out and non-invoiced cash in. MaxxTraxx is a great built-in feature for handling money that you pay out or receive outside of repair orders, parts invoices, and bills. After all, every now and then we have to pull cash out of the drawer for gas, food, or similar items. Sometimes we get rebates or other incentives that aren't directly tied to customer sales. We will use features in the cash drawer to account for that money. This video will review those processes. First, go to the Quick Picks drop-down and click on the Cash Drawer button. We'll start with Cash Paid Out. Click on that button. In the Cash Paid Out window, fill in the boxes for who the cash was paid to, invoice number, any notes, and the amount removed from the cash drawer. Please note that this is for cash only, not checks or credit card purchases. Select the GL account to post the money against. If there is not an account listed that fits the expense, we would have to go to the Setups menu and add a new account in the default account posting section. For more information about that, please see our video titled Edit or Add a Default Account Posting. Click the Finish button when done. For times we receive money that is not from a customer sale, click the Non-Invoiced Cash In button. The fields that will be filled out are similar to the Cash Out screen and easy to follow. For Cash In, there is also the option of how the payment was received. And just like the Cash In screen, if the GL account does not exist, go to the default payment section and add a new account. Click the Finish button when done. You can view the transactions in the cash drawer. Click the View Current Cash Drawer Transactions button. If a mistake was made, highlight the transaction and click the Void Payment button and redo the transactions. All these transactions will filter to the daily sales report and balance drawer process, so everything can be reviewed before the bank deposit. For more information, see our video titled Daily Sales and Cash Drawer Report. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.